The problems that we had last time did not have parentheses, so 2.1.e is going to add those that have parentheses. Reviewing the steps to solving multiple operations, you eliminate fractions by multiplying by the common denominator, remove parentheses using the distributive property, combine like terms on the same side of the equation, use the addition property first and then the multiplication property. Check your solution is the last step. So, let's look at these three problems here. The first one, remove the parentheses first, so 9r plus 5 times negative 10 is negative 50r. 5 times 8 is 40, is negative 329. So we removed the parentheses, excuse me. Next, we're going to combine these like terms. 9 minus 50 is negative 41r plus 40 is negative 329. Subtract 40 from each side. So negative 41 is negative 41r, excuse me, is negative 369. Divide both sides by negative 41. I'm going to use my calculator for this. Negative 369 over negative 41 is 9. So R is 9. Next one, I'm going to switch colors. I'm getting sick of red. Negative 4 times negative 9 is positive 36. Negative 4 times positive 10 is negative 40. So I removed the parentheses there, and now I've just got the other side to write down. So I distributed the parentheses, just like I distributed them up here. We have variables on both sides. Because of that, we make it so that the smaller one moves to the side of the larger one. Or in other words, we're going to subtract 10h from each side. And we get 26h minus 40 is, these cancel, 64. Add 40 to each side. And we get 26h is 104. Divide both sides by 26. Use your calculator. 104 over 26 is 4. So your answer is 4. Last one. I'm going to do down here. Remove the parentheses, and in this case, when there's a plus sign in front of them, that's the same as multiplying by positive 1, and we know that that's the identity, so it'll be negative 2t plus 3. On the other side, we've got a negative sign. We can't just remove the parentheses. We have to distribute it. And actually, when you distribute a negative sign, it just changes the signs of the things on the inside. So positive 6t minus 21. Both signs change. So I change this to positive and this to negative. Now, I've got two like terms here. I move them to the side that is larger by adding 2t to both sides. And I get 3 equals 8t minus 21. Add 21 to each side. I get 24 is 8t. Divide both sides by 8. T is 3. Those are the problems for solving linear equations in one variable that contain parentheses.